Yep. Let's continue Python for AWS. In this session, we are going to discuss very important topic, Python programming indentation rules with examples. Every Python programmer must know this indentation rules. There are four indentation rules. Four indentation rules. Everyone must know these four indentation rules. Let me start with the first indentation rule. Every Python program statement should start at column position 0. Okay. Let me open command prompt. Let me open Python shell. Let's open command prompt cmd. And here I am typing Python. It will start a Python cell. So this is called column position 0, and this one is column position 1. So where cursor is blinking is called column position 0. So I am writing print I1, press enter. It is working. Instead of column 0, I am giving space. I am writing print I2. When I write this one, it is giving error saying indentation error, unexpected indent. So we violated column statement 0. Every statement should start at column statement 0. Sorry, column 0. So because of this, we got indentation error. Let's try same thing in Jupyter Notebook. Let me open Jupyter Notebook. Let's open another command prompt. Let's try open Jupyter Space Notebook. When we type Jupyter Space Notebook, it will start Jupyter Notebook. Click on Python for AWS. And here, this is column position 0. I am writing print I1. Shift enter. It is working fine. I am giving one space, print I2. Then shift enter. It is working fine. If I run same thing in Python shell, it is not working. But if I run same thing in Jupyter Notebook, it is working. Let me write one more statement. Print I1 and one space, print I2. Then shift enter. See, here we are getting error. So what is our rule? Every statement should start at column position 0. In Jupyter Notebook, here only one statement, right? That's why Jupyter removed spaces before this statement. But if you are writing multiple statement, Jupyter is not removing spaces. It is thinking your programming is required spaces if you write multiple statements. Then rule is every statement should follow starting position 0. So here we got error. Okay, if multiple statements are present, Jupyter never removes spaces. Clear, right? Rule 1 is clear, right? Now let's start understanding start of block. C, C++, Java. This is start of block. We write statement 1 to n. 1 to n. Yes or no? So C++, Java, curly braces is start of any block. It may be if loop block, if block, it may be for block, it may be function block, it may be class block. In C++, block starts with curly braces. In Python, block starts with colon. And inside colon, you can write multiple statements. So this is block start. Let me uh, write some examples. So I'm taking one example for block statement. So here, if you observe, this is if block start, this is else block start. If condition is true, it executes these statements. Otherwise, it executes these statements. Okay, let me execute this program. Shift enter. 10 greater than 5. That's why first block is executed. Let me take another program. Then 10 less than 5. 10 is not less than 5. That's why it is going to execute else block. Clear, right? It may be if block start here, else block starts here, and for block starts here, colon, and while block starts from colon, and function def function 1, function block starts colon, and class block starts from colon. In Python, block starts with colon. Okay. Yeah, next rule team. Next important rule. Block end team. In C, C++, and Java, this is block start, and here we write multiple statements, and curly braces end bracket is represents to block end. But in Python, there is no end statement to represent block is ended. There is no statement to say block is ended. Then how Python understands block is ended? Only we have a block start. There is no separate statement required to say block is end in Python. Then how Python understands block is ended. Let's take case 1. Case 1, we have block start, and here we are writing some statements. Observe, this is block start. Okay, here we written 3 statements. Inside a block, we written 3 statements. Okay, then there is no other statements after last statement. Then Python understands block is ended. This is case 1. Coming to case 2. Observe case 2. In case 2, observe here. See, block is started and statement 1, statement 2, statement 3. Inside a block, we have to give 1 space or 2 spaces or 3 spaces and start all statements. So these 3 are part of block. And if any statement started to equivalent to block statement, if any statement started equivalent to block statement, then we call it as block is ended. Block is ended. Let's execute this one. Shift enter. We can see welcome 1, 2, 3, 4. You may thinking fourth one also part of block. Let me change the condition. Here condition is true. We are seeing output all. Let me modify this condition 10 less than 5. Now we never get welcome 1, 2, 3. We get only welcome 4 because welcome 4 is not part of block. Clear, right? 1 minute. Let's discuss one more important rule inside a block. Inside a block, all statements should follow same indentation. All statements should follow same indentation. Example, by default, Jupyter Notebook gives 3 spaces. You can give 3 spaces or 4 spaces or 5 spaces. All statements should follow same indentation. Let's say I'm giving some more spaces. But all statements inside a block should follow same indentation. Let me take another one. If any statement follows differently, then we get error. All statements should follow same indentation. This is one more important rule. These are 4 important rules every Python programmer or Python based framework programmer should remember. Okay.